Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanisha with Life with Tanisha RN, and I am here with a YouTube collab activity organized by Creatively Lisa Marie. You can find her on all the platforms under that name, Creatively Lisa Marie. She organized a group of content creators, and if you're interested, check her out, and get on that collab train. And what we do is, with the theme that she gives us, we interpret it our own ways. So it could be the theme is we interpret it in our planners, our journals, maybe in nature, outside, whatever the case may be. It's always good to see what each person comes up with when they interpret their theme. I am using my digital planner, undated, that I've been using pretty much the entire year. And I use this more for creativity, especially for the collab group. And the stickers that I'm using is from Digital Planner UA. Absolutely enjoy them. That quote there is, take a step back today. Look at all those beautiful things you have. This time of the year, it's so important to just take a break for self. You can't pour from an empty cup. You can't pour into someone else until you pour into yourself. And so I just love this this lady, this doll here with the leaves falling around her. She probably stopped at one of her favorite coffee shops and just enjoying nature. The weather is nice, and I'm sure there's some type of pumpkin spice latte or something pumpkin. So the theme is cooking. Okay, so in a minute you'll see how I bring the cooking into this. In the description box, I didn't finish. Make sure you check out the next person channel, and you will continue on with the loop until you end up where you started, and you'll know that you completed the loop. Make sure you like and comment. We love to engage with everyone. So, and if you're not subscribed to our channels, please do. We won't charge you anything for that, and we will be ever so grateful for that. So here, this is a color box circle, and I'm just kind of cropping out because some of his tail and leaf will fall off the page or off that space, and I didn't really want too much of it to come off. And so it doesn't matter because I'm not really using the little birdie, but this is where the pie comes in, because this time of the year there's lots of holiday meals, families getting together. And while I am not a huge dessert eater, I know a lot of people are. And I know a lot of people like pumpkin pie. So this is in commemoration and celebration of you dessert eaters, especially you pumpkin pie eaters. This is your season, okay? This is your season. And if you've been on my channel before, you know how much I love florals. Okay, so I had to find a floral somewhere to put it on the page. So there is my little cute little floral, and yeah, just cute. I don't have to have a whole lot, just a little bit of foliage. And I pulled another color circle box, you want to call it that, with a strip of washi, and that washi of course had a little bit of pumpkin because there was a cooking / pumpkin theme here. And I'm going to put a little quote in there too, a little fun quote. And that's because it's Monday, and in my part of the country, we love football. I mean, I'm sure lots of parts of the country. In my part of the country, college football is really big, but I like college and professional. So this says, 'tis the season, and you see the pumpkin, there's a pumpkin beverage, and there's a football, because it just all go together. It just goes together. Now, I'm looking over here at this lady with her beverage and the quote. I absolutely love it. She's there in the neighborhood, but I'm still feeling like something's missing on this page. And okay, so let me try to go with the theme of the quote. So I put some boots. These boots were made for walking. And that's it. I put the boots there, and I still feel like something's missing, even with the boots. So that's where there's a little pause there. And I said, okay, I'll find something. Let's see. And so Both of these sticker sets are from Digital Planner UA. One is pumpkin spice, I believe, and one is fall girl, I think. So here it's like, okay, so got another. She's definitely going on with the theme. She, I believe, has the task of doing desserts because there's a lot of desserts around her, right? So let me move these things over here, and so I can make room for her with her desserts. She's representing the theme, the cooking theme. And next to her, I was like, oh, I see something that may work with this. The boots. That's what I'm thinking. So let's see. I'm trying to get it just right, y'all. Trying to get it right. Sorry, I got distracted. I'm still not happy with that. You see, something's not missing. Something is missing. Not missing. Something's missing. Okay, so I said, well, let me see. Maybe the boots over the leaves. Yes. Okay, there. I'm a little bit happy with that. Okay, there we go. I think I'm happy. I think I am. I'm getting there. That's what's going on. I'm getting there. The boots, the leaves, they're cute. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there. And just a reminder again, make sure you check in the description box. There's a link for the next channel. Do not forget to check them out. Okay, please continue on with the loop because everybody interprets this theme differently, y'all. I'm telling you that it's different and you'll definitely enjoy it. Okay, now I'm going to plug in some things that I know that will be going on, and I'm using my pencil. Oh, by the way, just a reminder for those who are returning and those who are new to the channel. Welcome. I didn't give you a proper welcome. Thank you so much. I am using GoodNotes, the GoodNotes app, to do this. And with that last update, I have been using that pencil a lot. I really, really like the pencil. I don't know why, but I like the pencil. So that's what I'm doing. I'm putting in the family Christmas brunch because we're going to have a brunch, lunch, get together on Sunday. So I put that in there. Saturday, I am doing the bell ringing for the Salvation Army, my sorority. Sisters and I were going to be there ringing the bell, and I just absolutely enjoy that. When we do it, enjoy spending time with my sorority sisters and the customers that are coming out the store and coming into the store shopping. So really like that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Jane with Jane's Agenda is hosting a planathon. I signed up for that. Looking forward to that. And Wednesday, there is a game with the various sororities and fraternities. We will be at my alma mater, UAB, University of Alabama, Birmingham basketball game. Looking forward to that. And on Tuesday, I need to make sure that I put my Christmas cards into the mail. So, but here, I just remember I need to prep for the weekend. I had to put that note there, but I also need to put my Christmas cards in the mail because I've already started addressing them and stamping them. All right, friends, before I close out, I just want to thank you again for joining me with this setup and plan for the week. I cannot thank you enough. Make sure you take care of yourselves and each other's. Have a great day on purpose.